The ammonium cation, having the chemical formula NH4+, is a positively charged polyatomic ion that is obtained from the pronation of ammonia. Ammonia, NH3, is a colorless, odorless gas made up of nitrogen and hydrogen. It is the most basic stable compound of these elements, and it is used as a starting material in the manufacturing of several commercially important nitrogen compounds. What are some common solid ionic compounds and how are they used in everyday life? The first one is ammonium carbonate, a white crystalline salt with the chemical formula NH4 2CO3. It is used in smelling salts, baking powder, fire extinguishers, premix, and textile dyeing. The second one is ammonium chloride, a white crystalline salt with the chemical formula NH4Cl. It is used as a nitrogen supply in fertilizers, an electrolyte in dry cells, and as a constituent of galvanizing, tinning, and soldering fluxes. The third one is ammonium nitrate, a white crystalline salt with the chemical formula NH4NO3. It is used as a source of nitrogen for fertilizers, but it is also used to create explosives for mining. What are some health benefits and risks when exposed to these compounds? Ammonium carbonate is an expectorant indicated to treat cough and phlegm. It can be found in Ambrosian cough syrup. Ammonium chloride is a systematic and urinary acidifying salt that helps maintain pH, but it also exerts a mild diuretic effect and can additionally cause irritation, shortness of breath, nausea, and headaches. Ammonium nitrate is moderately toxic if swallowed. An inhalation of high mist concentration of airborne material may cause irritation to the nose and upper respiratory tract. Symptoms may include coughing and sore throat.
About 80% of the ammonia produced by industry is used in agriculture as fertilizer. Ammonia is also used as a refrigerant gas for purification of water supplies and in the manufacture of plastics, explosives, textiles, pesticides, dyes, and even other chemicals. What gases are produced from ions in different ionic compounds? Boiling point rarely exceeds 4 to 5,000 Kelvin. A typical ionic bound energy is about 5 eV. 1 eV is roughly 11,000 Kelvin. So ions in low temperature vapors exist as molecules. When the temperature becomes enough to break ionic molecules, it is enough to strip 1 or 2 electrons from atoms. So high temperature vapors will be plasma with electrons and positive ions.
What is the formula, Vecocities, boiling point, and melting point for fructose? Formula C6H12O6. Velocities is measured between a low velocity of corresponding to 95 Celsius and an upper limit of about 106 Fahrenheit. The boiling point is at 824 Fahrenheit or 444 Celsius, while the melting point is at 217.4 Fahrenheit or 103 Celsius.
One benefit of fructose is that it carries a lower glycemic load, meaning it does not cause a rapid rise and subsequent fall in blood glucose levels when used as a sweetener. One risk of excess fructose may raise the levels of VLDL cholesterol, leading to fat accumulation around the organs and potentially heart disease. It also increases blood levels of uric acid, which can lead to gout. Fructose is a form of sweetener which is mostly used in the food and beverage industry. For example, crystalline fructose is used in enhancing the food and food industries, and it is also used in flavored water, energy drinks, and low-calorie products.
Created using Powtoon.